Okay, so here's how you clean the lens mirrors. You open up the door of the machine, walk up to the machine like this, open up that front door where the toners are, and there's this little handle here. Take that out. Looks like this. This one's a little dirty. It's got the cotton tip there. You can get extra ones on the waste toner container. They have extra extra cotton things that you can take off. Where you place it is right here. Let's see that little arrow? And you want to go with the face down, with the cotton side facing down. And you just place it in here like this. And then you just slide in there. Slide it back and forth. Clean it up like that. And then you go to the next one right here. Clean it up. Right where that green arrow is pointing. Okay, I hope that helps. Bye.